Oh, you want me in? So it is hump day. It's Wednesday. Doing some face pulls. I want to do a real quick video on it. Try not to talk too fast. I see a lot of people doing face pulls wrong, and a lot of people jump into face pulls without getting that neuromuscular connection that they need. And one way to do that is to actually break it up in segments. Now, a normal face pull, just so you know, is like this, not like this. The reason for that is because it compromises your shoulders when you're pulling like this. It also strains your wrist, and you can't get that full pull back, what you want of your rotor cuffs, strengthening the muscles doing this. So if you do this, you can't go as far back. You want that external rotation of the shoulders when you come back, so there's not a lot of strain there, but you look at the muscle. So, like I said, first things first, the pull and the grip is under like this. Anybody doing it like this and telling me that's the way to do it, stop following their ass. I need to be so blunt. So, this is a normal face pull. It's one motion. A normal face pull is basically your hands beating your elbows back. So you pull with your hands to your face. You're spreading the rope. So you want to spread the rope to get as far out as you can, like this, to your face. So it's normally from your nose to your forehead. But a lot of guys have trouble with the neural connection in the back part. People do, as far as to get that actual shoulder blade, the squeeze and contraction as you're coming back to the shoulder blades when you come back like this. So the way to fix that is to break this up in segments. And the way you do that is you hold it the same way. And in this version, you're going to pull with your elbows first, because you're going to break everything up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want the weight to be semi-light. So like I'm only going to do 20 pounds when I'm showing you this right now. So you want to get used to pulling, bringing your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades back together to get a neural connection with those muscles being engaged in the pull. So you're going to do, this is going to be step 1. With that squeeze still there, you're going to do step 2. Straight, you're basically spreading the rope and bringing the pull back high. If the weights, if you can't hold it here for 2 or 3 seconds, the weight's too heavy. So you see how I'm keeping everything squeezed still. And then you're going to step 3, keeping it squeezed in the back, and then step 4. Once again, 1, squeezing those shoulder blades. 2, to the face. 3, back in front of you with the shoulder blades still squeezed together, and then let go. Once you get that neuromuscular connection, then you can do a regular face pull under grip, pulling with your hands, but getting the feeling and getting the engagement of the muscles by coming all the way back with your shoulders. Instead of doing this, you just see a lot of people doing it. Or they're pulling and they're pulling down like this. All different variations. So elbows high, shoulder blades squeeze together, go into your face. So.